What's up mga partner? Jonel MTV po. Naimbitahan po tayo ngayon sa soft opening ng first Boss Coffee dito sa Bawang, La Union. Kaya ano pinihintay nyo mga partner? Tara na!
Welcome to First Boss Coffee in La Union! Yay! Congratulations, Boss Coffee, Bawang, La Union! The first Boss Coffee in La Union!
Hi, I am Laika Garcia, the owner's representative of Boss Coffee, the first Boss Coffee here in La Union. We are open every day from 8 a.m. to 11 p.m. and we are located here in Paringao, Bawang, La Union.